In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video black and white in CapCut PC. If you want to give your footage a timeless, dramatic feel, turning it to black and white is one of the fastest ways to get there, and CapCut makes it incredibly simple. Start by bringing your video into your project and dropping it onto the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, click directly on the clip to select it. This selection is important because it tells CapCut which clip you want to edit and opens the settings panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't see that panel, it usually means the clip isn't selected yet, so click it once more to highlight it. With the clip selected and the right-hand panel visible, look for the Adjustment tab. This is where you'll find controls that affect the overall look of your video. Scroll until you come across the Saturation slider. Saturation controls how intense the colors appear. To remove color completely, drag that slider all the way to the left. Instantly, your clip becomes grayscale, giving you a clean, classic black and white look. This method keeps things straightforward and neutral, which is great if you want consistent results that match across different shots. If you change your mind, you can always move the slider back up to restore color. If you prefer a more styled approach, CapCut also includes black and white filters that add character and contrast with just one move. Head to the top left menu and click on Filters. From there, choose the Mono category. You'll see several black and white options designed to emulate different moods, from soft and cinematic to bold and punchy. Pick your favorite, then simply drag it directly onto your video clip on the timeline. The filter will apply immediately, and you'll see the change in your preview window. If you want to try a different vibe, just drag another mono filter over the clip to replace it. Filters can introduce subtle grain, tone shifts, or contrast variations, which can really elevate storytelling or match a specific style. Take a quick look at your playback to make sure the black and white effect feels right with your footage. Whether you chose the pure desaturation method or a mono filter, both approaches take only a couple of clicks and give you a polished, professional result. And that's it. Your perfect black and white effect in CapCut on PC, done quickly and cleanly. Enjoy creating that classic look and bringing a fresh mood to your videos.